Your resume claims that you're detail-oriented, but your work proves otherwise. So clients don't just trust words, they trust notes. So I'll show you how to use note columns to communicate errors, missing info, and sources. So these are the one trick clients love that shows you're proactive, not just a robot. So this is how beginner earns long-term clients. So hi everyone, it's me Nini and welcome back to Remote Philippines Job. At today, pag-usapan naman natin ang data entry plus web research. So isa ito sa mga pinaka-common at pinaka-entry level tasks as a VA. So, are you now ready? Let's begin. So, ano nga ba ang data entry plus web research? So, sa data entry at web research, depende talaga sa client kung anong ipapagawa nila sa inyo. For example, ako, I've been working for my clients for years and basically, binibigyan lang nila ako ng mga list of companies at ako na bahala mag-research sa mga kulang na details, maglagay sa Google Sheets, mag-flag if the emails was sent, at magpo-provide ng mga notes kung may mga errors or missing info. So, syempre, kapag iba yung clients, iba rin yung style. Merong mga clients na gusto mag-research ka ng mga cellphones ng lahat na nasa Georgia at ilagay mo siya sa may Google Sheets or Excel. Meron din na you should find the CEO and the managers of this company. They also have na mag-collect ka ng emails and i-upload mo sa MailChimp. At meron din na you should find only the contact form, not the email. So again, depende talaga sa client, pero usually the core skills are the same. Now let's proceed to how to do web research. So I'll show you the simplest, pinaka-basic process para magawa mo rin ito. So the first step is create your columns. So open Google Sheets and create labels just like the company name, the website link, the street address, the city, the state, the postcodes, the phone numbers if needed, the emails, and the notes. So my tip for you is that you should use bold headers para mas malinaw tignan. Step number 2 is to search the company website. So let's say na ang company ay Action Craft. You should type it sa Google, then open the website and check the homepage. Then copy-paste the website link sa sheet. So then you should check for the street address, the city, the phone numbers, the email, and the contact form. So sometimes nasa homepage, sometimes nasa about, nasa contact, sa shop, or even sa footer. So kailangan mo talagang mag-explore. And never assume, always double check. So if walang address, you should put dash, and if wala namang contact form, sa note write no contact form found. Next is to check the contact page. So most companies, they have the contact form, the email address, and the department, which includes the sales and the support. So if you need to send an email through the contact form, your client will usually give you the email template to paste. So after sending the message, you should mark yes under the send email. And if error, you should write down in the notes the example. Error 303, message not sent. So clients really love this kind of detail. Next is to explore other sources if kulang ang website. So if hindi mo makita ang address or email website, try checking the Facebook page, the LinkedIn, the Yellow Pages, the Google Business Listing, and the Craigslist. So we also have the industry directory na depende rin sa niche. So ito yung part where your critical thinking comes in. Hindi ka lang basta-basta nagka-copy-paste, but you're finding the best available info. And lastly is to share your file with client. So kapag tapos ka na or may update ka, you should ask your clients if they do prefer Google Sheets or they want CVS file. So to share, you should click share, type your client's email, and done. Or you can get shareable link, copy, and send to client. And now let's proceed to the tips to make web research faster. So here are things you'll learn as you gain experience. So some info is not on the contact page. So minsan nasa homepage header or footer. Next is mailing address versus street address. So if mailing address lang naman ang meron, you should write it and note it properly. Next is some websites hide info. So usually nasa shop page, nasa about page, or career page lang pala. Next is social media is extremely useful. So lalo na sa mga small businesses. And lastly, the more you do this, the faster you get. So everyone starts slow, but you will get faster. In addition, data entry and web research are super easy. But dahil madali lang siya, maraming competition. So if you want higher salary and better clients, make data entry your foundation skill. Not only your skill. So you should combine it with admin VA, social media, customer support, content creation, email management, lead generation, basic Canva, and basic Google Workspace. So the more skills you have, the more you stand out, lalo na sa onlinejobs.ph. So to summarize, here's what you do in data entry plus web research. So first is you create organized columns. Next, you research info carefully. You also explore all pages, not only one. You send email or fill contact forms if required. Then you also leave detailed notes. You share file professionally. And you keep learning. Don't rely on data entry alone. So if you consistently do this, magugustuhan ka ng clients because you are accurate, detailed, reliable, and proactive. So these are the qualities of a great virtual assistant. And that's everything you need to know about data entry plus web research as a beginner VA. And if you want real clients, good news. We are always hiring here at Remote Philippines Job. First thing you should do is to check the application link in the description. Then wait for our reply within 24 hours or less. And you can also earn through our referral program. So again, thank you so much for watching, and I am Nini. See you for the next video. Have a great day!